Are you looking for the best things to do in Stowe, Vermont? Well, then you have come to the right video. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to share what to do, eat, and see in this charming historic town.
Stowe, Vermont is a picturesque paradise nestled in the heart of the Green Mountains. Known for its charming New England character, this quintessential town is a four-season destination for those seeking adventure and relaxation. From the rugged beauty of the mountains to the cozy villages and the vibrant art scene, Stowe offers the perfect blend of outdoor adventure along with cultural experiences. During the summer months, explore lush hiking trails and savor farm-to-table delights, while the winter months welcome skiers and snowboarders to world-class slopes.
Choosing where to stay is a huge part of traveling, and if you're looking for accommodations, make sure you check out our Wander Stowe Woods ahead of your trip. Hopefully you're already staying here, but if you haven't seen it yet, check out our house tour where you will learn all about this modern home that is on a 10-acre estate with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, a tennis court, a pool, a hot tub, and so much more. This spot is absolutely amazing, and you're gonna want to stay here. In 1985, something monumental opened here in Vermont, and that is the Ben & Jerry's factory, of course. I am here at their original factory, and here you can do tours. This is where they produce 350,000 pints of ice cream a day, and there are tons of cool things to do. They even have an ice cream graveyard where you can see the old ice cream flavors. Of course, they have a place you can get ice cream, so we're gonna do that. But first, let's do the tour. Come inside with me. We just saw how they make the ice cream. I couldn't show you because you're not allowed to film in there, but it was really interesting and definitely cool and definitely something you gotta do. Now we're here in the Funky Flavor Lab. This is where they first created their most iconic ice cream flavors. So cool. Today we're doing churro for churros. This is a flavor that they're testing out here. So the cool thing about this spot is you get flavors that have never been seen anywhere else. For example, that flavor. That's right, we're gonna try it. This was made for April Fool's Day, so I'm not expecting it to be good. This one's delicious. The churros, really yummy. You can order secret flavors off the menu here that cannot be found anywhere else in this universe. So this right here is their list of their top 10 bestsellers worldwide. And I think most of us can agree the half-baked, which is like brownie and cookie dough, you can't go wrong. And then of course we got the Cherry Garcia coming in at a close second. Also delicious. And they invented the Cherry Garcia in the room we were just at, the flavor room. Whoa, hey Belle. She got a blue ice cream earlier, and now her energy level is next level. Discover the Stowe Recreation Path, an internationally acclaimed greenway spanning 5.3 acres that connects Stowe Village with top-notch resort on Mountain Road. This path boasts amazing mountain views and is conveniently located near shops, restaurants, and businesses, making it ideal for walkers or cyclists to enjoy this path. So you can literally do rollerblading here, biking, hiking, cross-country skiing, or even snowshoeing in the winter. There's just so much to do in this area, and the views make it totally worth your while. Winter enthusiasts will love Stowe Mountain Resort. Here we actually have 2 mountains. One is Mount Mansfield and one is Spruce Peaks. Now these mountains are connected with a gondola, so you can access both mountains. There are 116 trails and 12 chairlifts, so there is ample skiing to do here, snowboarding, all types of winter sports. It's great for winter lovers of all kind, and of course they have a lovely lodge. You can see we got some snow going on right now. The season is about to begin. It's gonna be amazing. Bingham Falls is a secluded gem and a true geological wonder in Vermont. The river's journey through narrow gorge walls creates a thunderous 25-foot waterfall with beautiful teal waters. Vermont's pristine swimming holes have those teal waters flowing through them, which is why Vermont swimming holes are considered some of the best in the country. A visit to Stowe is incomplete without checking out Main Street. This historic and quaint street is lined with beautiful boutique shops, art galleries, restaurants, cafes, and much more. It's absolutely worth your time to just stroll along here. Look at the beautiful architecture. A lot of the homes are built in colonial styles. It's stunning. And just pick up some locally handcrafted goods while you're here. I recommend, personally, they have great antique shops. Maple syrup is super famous in Vermont, and many of the shops sell that. There's just tons of things to do, eat, and see here, so you gotta check it out. It's just the perfect day. Stowe, Vermont's dining scene is a delightful blend of culinary excellence and local charm. One of the highlights is Stowe's commitment to farm-to-table cuisine. Many restaurants take advantage of the area's rich agricultural offerings, serving dishes made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and visitors can enjoy classic Vermont comfort food like cheddar cheese, maple syrup, and hearty soups with a gourmet twist. However, Stowe's dining scene goes beyond tradition, with international flavors, creative fusions, finding their plates on menus throughout the town. And for those seeking a taste of Vermont's craft beverage culture, Stowe boasts a number of breweries, cideries, and distilleries, providing the perfect accompaniment to your culinary journey. If you're a beer lover, then you need to check out this lovely spot. This is called The Alchemist, and they are a family-run brewery that specializes in unfiltered IPAs. This is one of the most beautiful breweries I have ever been into, and we have been to so many all over the country and the world. The artwork that they put all around it, even up to the ceiling. You have these huge trees with lights. I mean, it's stunning. I got their most popular beer. This is called the Heady Topper. A fun little fact about this spot is that they invented hazy. You hear like a hazy IPA, a hazy beer. They invented it. Pretty cool, right? It's so good. It's like a little citrusy, has a kick to it. You can do all different types of beers here, do little flight tastings. Delicious. You can't go to Vermont without trying the local cider and maple syrup, and so we are here at Cold Hollow Cider Mill. This is the spot to get the best apple cider in the States, as well as maple syrup. We're gonna try some apple cider donuts. It's gonna be a good time. They have a lot of local stuff from Vermont here. This is great for souvenirs. This is something that you definitely wanna bring home with you as a souvenir. You don't wanna miss some delicious Vermont maple syrup. So they have a self-guided tour here, and you can kind of see how they make the cider. They were crushing apples earlier using these machines. They crush about 140,000 apples a day to make the cider, and then you can try the cider. Looks like you're already ready to try it, huh, Belle? Cheers. Apple cider in Vermont. So many of you may be wondering what's the difference between apple cider and apple juice, and the difference is actually quite simple. Apple cider is truly crushed apples made into juice in its purest form. Apple juice is normally processed and normally shipped from other countries. Bella, do you want to get apple cider donuts? The really cool thing about this is they are made 100% fresh right here. You can actually watch them being made. So for those 21 plus, make sure you check out this spot, the Barn Lunch and Tasting Room. This is part of Cold Hollow Cider Mill. Let's go inside and learn a little bit about their spiked cider. Grateful Sled. It's a crisp mulled cider. Oh, that tastes like Christmas. So you can do one little sampler, like what we're doing here, and just sharing it, or you can do up to 4. You can pick any 4 from here.
Pasto is a family-run pizzeria that has called Stowe home for 20 years. They are known for their creative types of pizza, just like Picasso himself. All of their ingredients are sourced from local farms and ranches. Everything we got here was delicious. We ordered a margarita pizza and a meat lovers, and I also enjoyed their minestrone soup. The cherry on top is that this place is also great for kids because they have an arcade. The Bench is located in the heart of Stowe. They focus on Vermont comfort food complemented with some great craft beer, wine, and spirits. Their unique wood-fired and smoked dishes are very popular here, and you can watch your dish cook from their wood-fired oven. We loved the smoked wings, Faroe Island salmon, and fried chicken sandwich. They were absolutely packed with flavor, tender and juicy, everything you'd want after a day on the slopes. Prohibition Pig is known for its southern barbecue dishes and welcoming environment. The best way to eat here is to order their By the Farm dish, which serves 4 to 6 people and includes a little bit of all of their smoked meats, pickles, coleslaw, a roll, and 4 sides. Their pork ribs and sliced brisket are amazing, as is their cornbread, duck fat fries, and mac and cheese. In addition, they have a bar inspired by the Prohibition era. Here you can get anything you can imagine, including craft beer, hundreds of different liquors, and ample wine. You can also do liquor flights here.
Thanks for joining me on my adventure in Stowe, Vermont. I hope this gave you a ton of information on making the best of your trip. However, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our Wander concierge. They can help you out with that. And please tag us in any photos or videos that you post during your time here. We love to see all the fun you have. We can't wait to welcome you. Bye.